Hulk Uber. Second section. Rock. What? From first section to last section. More attention. Continue pair. S, Z sound. Here we go. Voicing. Voice, open voice. Opening and closing. Any idea? Vocal cords. Vibration quickly. Vibrate. Vibrating. Breathing a sound. Vowel as voice. Pair. Pair consonant. P. P sound and voice. Same way, mouth. Voice and voice. And voice. And voice. D sound. Pair consonant. F. And voice. And voice. V. S. Z. S sound, Z sound, pair consonant. Unclear. 3 through. Cup. 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 Cups. One cup. 2 cups. Cups. Cat. 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 2 cats. Cats. Brick. I brick. Brick. He bricks. Bricks. He bricks. Bricks. I stop. 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 He stops. He stops. Stops. That's ending. Is. Page. Paces. 2 paces. 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 What you learning from me? Bus. Is. One bus. Two buses. Buses. Buzz. Buses. Buses. Lunch. 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 One lunch. Lunch is. Lunches. Race. Raise my hand. Raise. He raises. Raises. He raises his hand. I brush. I brush. He brushes. Brushes. I push. He pushes. He pushes. Ziz. Pushes. Listen for it when you hear people speak. To an American listener, this makes a very big difference. Okay, here comes the third rule. This one's easy. The word ends with a vowel sound. All you do is add a voice C. It's simple. Let's look at the word tree. Tree. The last sound you hear that word is the vowel E. The vowel is always voiced. So the word ends with a voice sound. Tree. So tree. What to do if you're going to add an S? Tree. Tree. Is you continue the voicing throughout the whole word and add a
Trees.
C. So here we go. You've got one tree.
One tree.
Two trees.
Two trees.
Not trees.
Trees.
It's
Trees. Two trees.
Another example, the word day.
Day.
The vowel sound A.
Hey, one day.
Day.
2 days.
Days.
2 days.
One voice, it's days.
2 days.
Next one, shoe.
Shoe.
One shoe.
One shoe. 2 shoes.
Next is the verb fly, which is
Fly.
the sound.
Fly. I fly.
Fly.
He flies.
Flies.
He flies.
Ending voice.
She flies.
Last sound you hear.
Game.
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 Game sound.
Game.
Which is a voice sound. So because of that, when you get
Game.
an S, the S should also be voiced.
One game.
Two games.
2 games.
Another word,
2
head.
games.
Ends with the voice D.
Heat.
So we've got one head. Or two
One head.
heads.
2 headers.
It's voiced.
2 headers.
Very good.
2 headers.
Train.
3 headers.
Voice N. See that?
Train.
One
Train. 1 train.
Two trains.
2 trains. 2 trains.
Song. Ends with
Song.
the voice NG sound. So
Is it?
don't forget to add a voice
Song.
C ending. We've got
One song.
Songs.
2 songs. 3
I
songs.
just show you take some practice to actually incorporate it into your English. But I can tell you from past experience that most of my clients were able to master these S and C voice endings in just a few weeks. Okay, now for something else. As you know by now, English is a difficult and a crazy language. All these words that I'm going to show you now
Come. Here you go.
are written with an S. However, they are all pronounced with a voice C. Why this is, I have no idea, but this is how English is.
How English is.
The word is, it's not
Is.
S. The voice is pronounced with
Is.
the verb C. Is.
Because it's N of the
This
vowel. Is.
good.
It is good.
His. Same thing.
His.
Also, it's
His.
the same thing.
His mom.
As.
As.
Pronounced with a voice C. As the phone rang.
As.
Was.
Was.
Very common word.
Was. It was raining. Was. These. These are my children. Those.
Those
Those.
are my books.
Those are my book.
Easy.
Easy. Easy. Easy. Because we're late. We're late.
Okay, now let's do some practice with reading passages. Each of these has many voiced and unvoiced S and C sounds. Note the voiced C sounds you'll see are underlined. If you printed out a training manual using a color printer, you'll notice that the voiced C sounds are all printed in red. This will help you visually see which sounds should be voiced. Don't to go slow and exaggerate the sounds. You may just want to listen to me first, then stop the video, practice on your own, and then later on watch this video again and practice it with me. Whatever feels right to you. Now this first one has many voiced C sounds. Here we go. Another zippy,
Zappy, crazy day comes to a close.
As we zoom up
to Zoe's zones. Zodiac Zoo plays with her Zippo. Last week, Jim's brothers compete to games. Brothers with swimmers, runners, brothers, classes. These athletes work hard at qualify for the games, hopping car, prizes, brothers, university, courses, easier, and gives things. On Thursday, I have very lazy day. I woke up earlier, squeeze oranges, rest, watch the sunrise, mountains. It was beautiful. Pictures in the camera. Use these rolls in film. Drinking 2 cups of coffee. Left the house. Miles home.
Very good. Now another good way to practice these voiced S and C endings is to do a naming activity. What you do is you just sit in your room and out loud name everything you say, first in the singular form and then in the plural form. For example, you look around and you say out loud, 1 door, 2 doors.
1 door, 2 doors. 1 table, 2 tables. 1 computer, 2 computers. 1 light, 2 lights.
I found this to be very helpful. In addition, try listening for these voiced sounds when you hear native born American speak. It's very good ear training, and that'll help you improve. Soon, slowly begin to put these sounds into your own speech. You'll find that by adding these voice endings, your English will sound cleaner, and people will have an easier time understanding you. Believe me, it's going to really make an improvement. Before we finish, I have one more suggestion that comes from clients who've taken this program. I think it's a really good idea.
Really good idea.
Find a very small mirror.
Small mirror.
Maybe with some tape.
Tape.
Right onto the side of your computer monitor, right next to the screen. By having a mirror right in front of you during our sessions, you can easily read the text on the screen, watch my mouth, and then look right into the mirror at your own mouth. You'll be able to compare your mouth with what I'm doing, and you'll know whether or not you're forming your lips and tongue into the correct positions. Through imitation and following my instructions, you'll get closer to speaking an American accent.
American accent.
Well, that's it for today. Relax, have fun, and practice what I've shown you.
Relax, have fun.
Until next time,
Until next time.
pronunciation